माय नेम इज़ डॉक्टर ऋषिकेश मीना, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बॉटनी, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ राजस्थान। आज मेरा जो टॉपिक है वो है प्रोटोप्लास्ट आइसोलेशन एंड कल्चर। Protoplast is a plant's bacterial or fungal cell that had its cell wall partially or completely removed using either mechanical or enzymic means. Protoplasts have their cell wall entirely removed. More generally, protoplast refers to that unit of the biology which is composed of a cell nucleus and surrounding protoplasmic material. आइसोलेशन ऑफ द प्रोटोप्लास्ट, प्रोटोप्लास्ट का जो आइसोलेशन है वो फॉलोइंग टू मेथड द्वारा किया जाता है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द प्रोटोप्लास्ट कैन बी आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम ए वेराइटी ऑफ टिश्यूज इंक्लूडिंग लीव्स, रूट्स, इन विट्रो शूट कल्चर, कैलस, सेल सस्पेंशन एंड pollen. Young cell suspension are particularly ideal for the isolation of protoplast in large quantities. मेथड ऑफ आइसोलेशन ऑफ प्रोटोप्लास्ट, हमारे यहाँ प्रोटोप्लास्ट को पृथक करने के लिए दो तरीके होते हैं। एक तो है मैकेनिकल मेथड एंड सेकंड इज एंजाइमिक मेथड। एंजाइमिक मेथड को हम दो भागों में बांट सकते हैं, पहला वन स्टेप मेथड एंड सेकंड इज टू स्टेप मेथड। ये जो स्लाइड है वो मैकेनिकल मेथड को बताती है। एंड सुटेबल फॉर द आइसोलेशन ऑफ प्रोटोप्लास्ट फ्रॉम वैक्यूलेटेड सेल, ऑनियन, बल्ब्स, scale and radius roots. Method gives poor yield of the protoplasm and is not suitable for isolating protoplasm from meristemic and less vacuolated cell. Enzymic method invariably used now for the isolation of the protoplasm since it gives large quantity of the protoplasm. Cell are not broke and osmotic shrinkage in minimum, and sometimes mechanical and enzymic methods are combined where cells are first separated mechanically and later used for isolation of protoplasm through enzymic treatment. Direct or one step method, leaf segments are incubated overnight 15 to 18 hours with enzyme mixture 0.5% mesozymes plus 2% cellulase and 13% sorbitol or mannitol at 5.4 pH at the 25 degree centigrade temperature. Teased gently to liberate the protoplasm. A mixture is filtered through fine wire gauze to remove debris and transferred to the protoplasm. The protoplasm from a pellet and supernatant removed. The process is repeated 3 times and protoplasm washed with the 13% sorbitol solution, which is later replaced by the 20% sucrose solution and centrifuged for 1 minute. The clean protoplasm, which will now float debris, settle down and can be pipetted out on sequentially two-step method. Two enzyme mixture A and mixture V are used one after the other. The leaf segment with mixture A 0.5% mesozyme plus 0.3% potassium dextran sulfate and 13% mannitol sorbitol vacuum filtrate for 5 minutes, transferred to a water bath at 25 degree centigrade temperature and subjected to slow shaking. The mixture is filtered using nylon mesh, centrifuged for the 1 minute and washed 3 times with 13% mannitol to get a pure sample of isolated cell. Cells are then incubated with enzyme mixture B, 2% cellulase in 13% solution of mannitol at 5.4 pH for above 19 minutes at 13 degree centigrade temperature. Advantage of enzyme method for isolation of protoplasm. जो एंजाइम विधि द्वारा जो हम आइसोलेशन प्रोटोप्लास्ट का जो आइसोलेशन करते हैं उसके निम्नलिखित लाभ होते हैं। द लार्ज स्केल रिप्रोड्यूसिबल आइसोलेशन ऑफ प्रोटोप्लास्ट फ्रॉम वेरियस टिश्यूज, इसके द्वारा बहुत बड़ी संख्या में हम प्रोटोप्लास्ट को पृथक कर सकते हैं। एंड ऑस्मोटिक श्रिंकेज इज मिनिमम एंड डिलीरियस इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द एक्सेसिव प्लाज्मोलाइसिस आर मिनिमाइज्ड. सेल रिमेन इंटैक्ट एंड आर नॉट इंजर्ड एज इज द case of mechanical method of the isolation. Floating protoplasm being lighter, low density than other cell debris, gradients may be used which will allow the protoplasm to float and the cell debris to sediment. A concentrated solution of the mannitol, sorbitol and sucrose 0.3 mm can be used as a ingredient and crowd protoplasm suspension may be centrifuged in this gradient at an appropriate speed. Protoplast can be pipetted off from the top of the tube after centrifugation. सेकेंड हमारा टॉपिक है कल्चर ऑफ प्रोटोप्लास्ट का कल्चर या संवर्धन कैसे किया जाए। आइसोलेटेड प्रोटोप्लास्ट और देयर हाइब्रिड सेल्स आर कल्चर आइदर इन द लिक्विड और अगार मीडिया. लिक्विड कल्चर मीडिया इंक्लूड either incubated protoplasm in thin layer or small drops of the nutrient media inside a petri dish, which in turn is covered by another petri plate and finally sealed with parafilm. The culture dish is then maintained at 25 to 28 degree centigrade temperature. About nutrient medium containing agar, about 2 ml allocates of isolated protoplast of suitable density are mixed with an equal volume of the agar nutrient medium, the temperature of which should not exceed 45 degrees centigrade temperature. On solidification of the agar, the culture plates are sealed and maintained in a inverted position. At fusion of protoplast facilitated mixing of two whole genomes and could be plotted in cross at interspecies, intergeneric or even inter-kingdom levels. Isolated protoplasts are devoid of wall, makes them easy tools of undergoing fusion in vitro. Mixing two genome open the door to gene transfer and study of gene expression. मेथड ऑफ प्रोटोप्लास्ट फ्यूजन, हम लोग प्रोटोप्लास्ट को जब फ्यूजन करते हैं तो उसके लिए दो तरह के मेथड यूज किए जाते हैं, स्पॉन्टेनियस फ्यूजन एंड सेकंड इज इंड्यूस फ्यूजन. When the cell culture or cell grown in suspension are subjective to enzymatic degradation of the cell wall, the plasmodesmata of adjoining cell expand instead of breaking down and facilitating spontaneous fusion of the protoplast to form homokaryon or homokaryocytes. These plurinucleate cells sometimes contain 2 to 40 nucleus. Mechanical method or induced fusion, protoplast of two different species or the same species are passed through a micropipette, the tip of the which is partially blocked. During this, the protoplast come into intimate contact, are retained and remain compressed by the flow of the liquid. Treatment with calcium ion at high level pH, spinning the protoplast in a fusion inducing solution leads to fusion of the 20 to 50% of the protoplast. The method has been found superior to other method of protoplast isolation. Polyethylene glycol treatment, since 1974 protoplast fusion has been successfully achieved in several crops using polyethylene glycol as fusogenic agents. The technique gives high frequency of the fusion with reproductive result and involves low cytotoxicity. The techniques can be used for fusion of protoplasm from unrelated plant taxa just like soybean and tobacco. If protoplasms are available in micro quantities, drop culture can be used. Two types of the protoplasm are mixed in equal quantities and 4 to 6 microdrops are placed in a small petri plate and allowed to settle for 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature. 2 to 3 micropipette of polyethylene glycol are added from the periphery in each petri plate, which is incubated for 13 minutes at room temperature 24 degrees centigrade temperature. Electrical fusion, if protoplasms are placed into a small cell containing electrodes and a potential difference is applied, then the protoplast will line up between the electrodes. This slide shows the method of protoplast culture. Mechanism of protoplast fusion, the mechanism of protoplast fusion is not fully known. Several explanations have been put forward to understand the mechanism of protoplast fusion. The negative charge carried by the protoplasm is mainly due to intermembranous phosphate groups. The addition of calcium ion causes reduction in the zeta potential of the plasma membrane, and under the situation protoplasm are fused. The high molecule weight polymer of polyethylene glycol act as a molecular bridge connecting the protoplast. Calcium ion linked the negatively charged polyethylene glycol and membrane surface. Elution of the polyethylene glycol, the surface potential are disturbed, leading to intramembrane contact and subsequent fusion. Testing of protoplast viability. प्रोटोप्लास्ट की वाइबिलिटी का टेस्ट कैसे किया जाता है? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रोटोप्लास्ट वाइबिलिटी कुड बी टेस्टेड इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ प्रोटोप्लास्ट रीचेज बाय वैरायटी ऑफ द मेथड इंक्लूडिंग ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बाय FDA fluorescence diacetate. If accumulate with the plasma membrane viable protoplast or fluorescence green or white, it should be examined with 5 to 15 minutes. Second is by phenolphthalein. Detect red protoplasm which turn red in its presence, the viable protoplasm remaining unscented and even after 2 hours in the stent solution. Third is CPW and Calgofluor white. 0.1% detect concept of the cell regenerate around plasma membrane of the viable protoplast in the form of a media. And importance of the protoplast culture. प्रोटोप्लास्ट संवर्धन के निम्नलिखित महत्व होते हैं, जैसे स्टडी ऑफ ऑस्मोटिक बिहेवियर, ऑस्मेटिक या प्रासरण व्यवहार के बारे में हम इसके अध्ययन कर सकते हैं। एंड स्टडी ऑफ IAA एक्शन, इंडोल एसिटिक एसिड एक्शन का बारे में बात कर सकते हैं। स्टडी ऑफ द प्लाज्मा लेमा एंड स्टडी ऑफ सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन and organelle isolation, study of the morphogenesis, virus uptake and replication. This slide shows the plasmolysis process in plant cell where the plasma membrane pull away from the cell wall due to the loss of water through osmosis. ये बताती है कि हमने किस तरह प्लाज्मा मतलब प्रोटोप्लास्ट को आइसोलेट किया है और उसका कैसे अपन संवर्धन कर सकते हैं। प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन in an isotonic solution there is a not net movement of the water. Second is in an hypotonic solution water enter the cell which may burst lysis. In third, in a hypotonic solution water leaves the cell which shrieks and crenation. And chloroplast in an isotonic solution there is a no net movement of the water. In hypotonic solution vacuoles filled with the water, turgor pressure developed and the chloroplast are seen next to the cell wall. In a hypotonic solution vacuoles lose water, the cytoplasm shrinks, plasmolysis and the chloroplasts are seen in center of the cell. Thank you.